to fun. तो आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं हिस्ट्री और सिविक्स का चैप्टर नंबर 1, इंट्रोडक्शन टू द पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम. ओके दोस्तों, यू आर वेल familiar with the parliamentary system, or if you are not, so please watch my this video. You will be absolutely familiar to it. And before that, please subscribe and like to my channel. So let's start. Okay, what is given in this chapter? We will learn the machinery or the system of government as given in the Indian Constitution. So what they are saying that we will learn about the machinery or the system of government. Okay, तो हम लोग इसमें what we will learn that government system of the Indian Constitution. Okay, have you thought of this? What is parliamentary system of government? तो मन में ये जब भी आप when you are watching news or parliamentary news, so you will be always thoughting what is this parliamentary system, what is this Lok Sabha, what is the seats, and then this all are. So this all we will be talking in this chapter. Okay. So the next question is, in India we have Prime Minister, but why there is no Prime Minister in the United States of America? So you are also well familiar with this, that in India we have both Prime Minister and President. But why in United States only they are having President, not Prime Minister? This question will be also coming, so we will discuss about it. And next question, what is the difference between a parliamentary and a presidential system of government? This also we are going to discuss in this chapter. So let's start. Okay. So I have already told that this question would let us to conclude that every country has a different form of government. So each and every country have a different form of government. Some may be having same government system. Okay. Before we go ahead to understand different types of government system, let us get information about the main branches of government. So before going ahead, we will talk about the basic of the parliamentary system or branches of the government. Okay, main branches of the government. The function of the legislature is to make laws. Okay, so the legislature assembly, the legislature is what its function is to make laws. Okay, to making laws means, for example, they are creating an act on the basis of their power, means they have power to create laws. Okay, the executive implement the law and the judiciary provides justice. Okay, the executive implement the laws. Okay, so okay, it implements the laws, and judiciary means court system. So justice, it gives you justice. Okay, justice मतलब means आपने कुछ गुनाह नहीं किया, means you have not done anything, then also you are going to, means then also you have not done anything, but then also they are giving you as a prison. Okay, so you can just go and appeal to the judiciary system, which will provide you the justice. Okay, the function of these organs means without each of them are important in this parliamentary system. Without one, it means means one organ is also in damage, means one organ is also damaged, so the whole parliamentary will be affected through it. Okay, so this is known as function of this organ, means they have mean to say that every function of these organs have a part. Okay, there's jurisdiction and limitation on their power, and the interrelationship between these organs are decided by the constitution. जो jurisdiction मतलब वो judiciary वाले part. Okay, so that jurisdiction and limitation on the limit of their power and the interrelationship between these organs. Interrelationship means how they are relating with each other. Relationship कैसा उन दोनों के बीच, उन सबके बीच में, between them. Okay, so are decided by the constitution. So these are all decided by the constitution. Constitution we have studied in last year, means 7th standard, about constitution. Means this year, no, last year I think so, 7th standard we have studied. So what is constitution? Constitution means a book where all laws are written. Okay, all laws are written. Okay, it is the nature of the relationship that determine the system of government adopted in a particular country. Means it is the nature of their relationship, मतलब how they are behaving, उनका nature कैसा है, between relation nature कैसा है. So that determines the system of government adopted in a particular country. That determine means we can say that someone that determine that system of government, okay, adopted in a particular country. There are two main types of government system that are followed: parliamentary system and presidential system. So now, you are going to familiar with this point, with these two, with these two questions. Okay, this India, we have that one and the second one. We are going to familiar with it. Okay, 2 minutes. Huh? Yes. So parliamentary system of government. Okay, parliamentary system means now we are going to study in this. Okay, the parliamentary system of government developed primarily in England. Okay, so the parliamentary system was developed, means the parliamentary system which came to in India was developed by the England. Okay, primarily in England. The English constitution is an unwritten constitution. Means the English means England constitution. They're talking about England is unwritten constitution. Means they can change. Means they can change the laws according to them. Okay, if they want to change it. And India, we have written constitution. Remember, we have written constitution. We can't change. We can't change that laws. Okay, the governance. So the governance is carried out in accordance with tradition and customs and conventions. Okay. So the governance is carried out in according with tradition. तो वो carried होता है tradition से first of all tradition, then customs and then convention में religious the matter से पहले belief उनके ऊपर चलता आ रहा governance carried out. Okay. The British Parliament is an institution that has evolved over a period of time. Evolve मतलब evolution भी से ना, it is past tense of that evolved. Okay, the British Parliament is an institution. मतलब the British Parliament which was developed in India is an institution institution that has evolved. मतलब they are growing over a period of time. They have grown over a period of time. The parliamentary system of government having its root in parliament is considered as a distribution of England. मतलब the parliamentary system of government having its root means example, take a tree. Okay, so how it have roots separated to each of them to near the level of the soil. Okay, it's separated or it go down, which is a very long roots. Okay, so they are without that root the trees can't stand firmly. Okay, so same here we are saying that without this the legislature, executive and judiciary, the parliament can't strong firmly. Okay, can't stand firmly. Sorry, is a contribution of England. Okay, so this is contribution of England is parliamentary is a contribution of England. Remember this. India has adopted this parliamentary system. So we are talking about now India. India has adopted the parliamentary system. England, which have they have developed this parliamentary system in India, and so that India has adopted the parliamentary system. We can see some broad similarities in the parliamentary system of England and the parliamentary system of India. So what they are taking that we have seen बहुत ज़्यादा similarities in the parliamentary system. There are similarities in the parliamentary system of England and parliamentary system of India. Okay, but when looked at an institutional level, the Indian parliamentary system is different in its content. Okay, मतलब when looked at an institutional level, institution से जब हिसाब से हम लोग देखेंगे level से, the Indian parliamentary system is different in its content. Okay, तो जो इंडियन पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम है ना डिफरेंट इन इट्स कंटेंट मतलब उसके टॉपिक के ऊपर उसको डिफरेंट का दर्जा दिया है. ओके, डिफरेंट इन इट्स पर्टिकुलर कंटेंट और मेनी कंटेंट्स. ओके, so now we are going to let us understand the characteristics of the Indian parliamentary system of government in India. So we are now going to characteristics of the following parliament which are held in the parliamentary system. उसके ऊपर उसका characteristics we are going to now see that. Okay. The parliamentary system is a system of governance. The legislature of the central government is known as the parliament. The parliamentary system is a system of governance. मतलब So parliamentary, which is the parliamentary system is a system of government which means that governance मतलब we have to rule मतलब governance to observe what is happening near the what is happening. Okay, so the parliament is मतलब the parliamentary system look after these are countries. Okay. The legislature of the central government is known as the parliament. The legislature we have studied that to make but it is different that the legislature of the central government. तो legislature of the central government का जो legislature है ना is known as the parliament. Okay. The Indian Parliament is composed of President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So Indian Parliament are composed of three types. So they are President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So at the lower level Lok Sabha comes, at the middle level Rajya Sabha comes, and at the top President comes. Okay, but then also Lok Sabha is important. It's मतलब means although it is at the lower level, although the Lok Sabha is at the lower level, but then also it is believed that it is superior from the Rajya Sabha. Okay, member of the Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people. The number of members in the house are fixed. Okay, members of the Lok Sabha we call it as a people house. Lok Sabha people house. It is elected by the people, directly elected by the people. So we can come to know by the word lok. Lok matlab normal people. Okay. It is Lok Sabha members are elected by the people. These number of members in the house are fixed. Okay. So the number of the members in the Lok Sabha house are fixed. मतलब उससे ज्यादा उससे कम नहीं हो सकता. They are fixed at their number, at that particular number. Okay. Election to the Lok Sabha are held at regular intervals. All political parties contest these elections. The party which get more than half of the seat is considered as the majority party. The majority party forms the government. Okay. Elections to the Lok Sabha are held at a regular intervals. Okay. All political parties contest this election. मतलब जो contest जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज है तो वो कॉन्टेस्ट दी इलेक्शन तो आती है इलेक्शन के लिए लड़ने के लिए. तो पार्टी मतलब जो पार्टी है जो ज्यादा सबसे ज्यादा उसको ज्यादा मेजोरिटी मिलता है हाफ ऑफ द सीट मतलब उसको आधा से ज्यादा जिसको सीट मिलता है तो उसको मेजोरिटी पार्टी बोलते हैं और फिर वो पार्टी गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म कर लेता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी तो पार्टी है जो रूल कर रही है जो गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म की बीजेपी पार्टी है उनके पास ज्यादा सीट थे तो उन्होंने पार्टी फॉर्म किया. ओके, दिस इज we are talking about the elections. Okay, so next point is sometimes when no party gets a clear majority, some parties come together to form a majority and then can establish the government. This is kind of a government is known as the coalition government. Okay, so मतलब जो party some party मतलब for example the parties does not get more majority मतलब the parties which didn't get so what they are saying means when a party gets a clear no party gets a clear majority मतलब जो पार्टी को ज्यादा जितना मेजोरिटी चाहिए वो मेजोरिटी मिल नहीं सकता है means the party can't get that much majority which is needed. Okay, so some parties मतलब जो आजू बाजू की some parties they come together and form a government. Okay, so this kind of government is called coalition. मतलब the parties मतलब for example that these parties can't clear the majority मतलब they don't have the more majority which they needed. They don't have the majority. Okay, so the parties the smaller parties come together. Some parties they come together and they form a government. This kind of government is called coalition government. Okay, so next point is in this way candidate directly elected by the people became member of the legislature and the party in majority get a chance to form the government. So means then this coalition मतलब जो सब government जो आते हैं जब some sorry not government the parties come together तो they are direct तो उसमें से जो candidates है they are elected by the people. So the candidates of that party, the party which come together and they can form a government. So this is known as coalition government. We came to know about this. So उसमें से जो candidates थे, they are elected by the people. मतलब उसमें people नहीं उन candidates को they are elected and to become a member of the legislature. तो लेजिस्लेचर के लिए उनको मेंबर बनाने के लिए दे हैव चूजन दैट पर्टिकुलर मेंबर्स. ओके, and the party in majority gets a chance to form the government. So the party which form a majority, which get a majority of the seats, मतलब by coming together, तो majority party जो रहता है वो they can form the government. Okay, means they get a chance to form the government. So बस आज के लिए इतना ही guys. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको कंटिन्यू में करूँगा. ओके, so प्लीज सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड और अगर कुछ आपको डाउट्स है तो कमेंट प्लीज.